And now,
Hello, good evening. I'm here at the Cornice Park. You see all the tallest building here at Cornice, at West Bay.
we are in the
And this is the
we are
biggest,
in the under of the building.
and this is the biggest takore,
Biggest kettle
kettle.
in Doha, Qatar.
Tingnan dali na may salakin da.
We are going there. We are going there.
Ano ka?
We are going there. Upset. Come on, come on. Aray, aray.
Oh. Mawiyatan ta sa ilog. Yeah.
You see, this is Karama and Doha Bank.
This is 2 times I vlog here before.
We're going there.
Here, this is the condom building.
Yeah.
No.
You were going there in the other side.
Okay, talking na.
This in seashore.
I'm strolling around inside the
Seashore.
park of the Cornice, beside of the seashore at Cornice Park here. Finish in
In the seashore.
Mina Park, Old Port. Then I transfer here at Cornice Park. I want to show you the
We just finished now from Mina
I
Park
want to
district.
show you the
We're going
seaside
there.
here at Cornice Park.
Okay.
Together kawalwaruning. You see that all tallest building. This is for the Cornice West Bay. Cornice West Bay Park. This is my car coming now. He threw into the driver. Just go first. Just come back. Okay.
Oh. So in this late night, have a lot of children are biking, they're strolling.
If you want a fishing and take a walk beside of the sea, just come here at the Cornice.
Cornish and
If
Mina
you want to
Park.
ride all the boat, Batil, here also. If you want to ride the scooter, it's here. Just scan it on your mobile and
What's that?
pay it. Here.
My mom will just ride.
I want to show you all the building here at Cornice. This is the city like Makati. All the tallest building you can see here at the Cornice USB here.
This is what do you call this?
This is electric scooter.
Electric scooter. This one?
Yeah,
This is bike.
electric bike na scooter.
I have no idea.
Oh my god. You make bad luck my mom. So that she will run fast. Oh my god.
I genuinely don't know. If I die flying, it's not cool.
Oh hell no. Say bye bye. Oh my god.
Arya ting oh. Ting. Ting. Arya ang full charge naka green no. Arya ang naka full charge ang naka color green.
Chalo.
No. Is it that? I'm scared.
It's okay.
It can be.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
let's go.
There where I need to.
Just wait I pause.
Okay.
Right, and then
You start. 1, 2, 3. The vlogger started to do this.
first you have to go a bit with your leg, and then
Okay. I will teach you how to do. Okay, go.
You need. Did you?
No.
Did you?
No.
No, not lobat.
first you have to use your legs and then the
Speed.
motor.
The speed, ano, yeah.
Yeah, I taught you.
Okay, go, go, go. And you do.
It's not coming speed.
You do.
First you have to use your legs and then later that. First legs. Oh, there you go.
Wow! Perfect. Good job.
Oh, there's your young.
Wow! Good job. Now you will know. You will. I will represent you to do this one. Was this tournament of the, what do you call this one? What?
Get another scooter.
Tournament of the scooter. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congrats.
Then you can use accelerator. This is the back brake, front brakes. First you have to use your legs. Get momentum.